Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Your girl Brittany here with BB's Crafts. Thanks so much for hanging out today. Today I want to share what I have received from a swap I participated in on Facebook through the Crafty Manipulators page. This swap is hosted by Tiffany McGill, and she is Tiffany Crafting Like a Boss McGill here on YouTube. And my swap partner is Natasha, who is Polite Creations here. And for this swap, it was a mini advent calendar with a card kit, and following the tutorial that Tiffany had gave, and we were supposed to make the advent calendar, put some little goodies in there, and then also create a card kit which includes the sample card and then the ingredients to create the card and to make 4 cards actually. So this is how everything came. And she also included some goodies as well. Thank you so much. I love this bag here. So inside, she made a little resin bee. Look how cute she is. I love it. So cute. Okay. Put that right there so you guys can see. And then she's also included this luxury foiled 6x6 paper by Floral Fantasies. And this is by Sarah Davies. This is really pretty. Look at that. Well, these are gorgeous. Let's make beautiful cards. And then she also included this cute this enchanted Christmas. It's called Magical Moonlight. And it comes with a stamp of the moon and this cute little fairy and the wings, and has like a little ornament down here. How cute and precious is that? Thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. This I want to say is the card kit, and it's pink. Love it. How gorgeous. So open this up. So here is the stuff to create the card. So all the little elements. And then here she created a belly band, so it comes with all the matting sheets. And then here are the envelopes that are included for the kit. And the kit is to make this beautiful card. I love how she added the, let me fix that there. Love how she added the bling to the snowflake. This is super pretty. I love this border here and just the overall. It says warm wishes this season. And then here's the inside, and then she has like the half of the snowflake right there. This is so stinking pretty. Absolutely love it. Definitely got to be making those. And then here would be the advent calendar. Gorgeous. I love this. This is so pretty. Absolutely love that. And then there is her little handmade by, and she did some seam binding for closure, and then added some really pretty ruffle trim. And then here is the inside, and it's supposed to like sit up like this, like it's decoration, and this is just so stinking cute. And then I didn't number mine but I love how she added the numbers on there. So here's number 1, and inside she added some resin pieces. So we have some different flowers of resin. Very, very pretty. Love the green color. I'm not really a green person either. And then number 2. Holy cannoli, Batman. Alright. And here, oh my goodness, look at this. I know that these can be store-bought, but I wonder if she made these. This one says love. How cute. And this one says forever. These are so adorable. I'm not even going to worry about putting that back on. I'm just going to go ahead and go in order. Number 3, we have these really pretty flowers. I need this die. I love this die. These are so cute. And she did a blue, green, and purple. Super pretty. I love receiving flowers because then I don't have to make them. And then here she has some foam flowers, and I'm not sure, it could be pink or peach. And then the blue, And then number 5, we have some fabric flowers, little rosettes. These are pretty. I haven't seen these ones. These are super pretty. And then number 6, we have some fun shaped paper clips. And then also here, she added a stamp that says you can never have too much sparkle. Yes. And here we have like the little point. I can't even think of like what I'm trying to say. Like the ice cream cone shape paper clips. And then number 7, we have her cute little faux leather bows. Look at this. These are so cute. Oh my gosh. These are so cute. I love these. These are so pretty, and I love this faux leather that she used. That is so stinking cute. And last but not least, this is like a little piece that you can fabric piece. That's what we're looking for. And it says 99, and then it's checked. I tried. That is so totally me. This is so cute. Thank you so much. You did an awesome job. I absolutely love it. And first of all, I love that it's pink. Yay. And thank you so much for the extra goodies. Guys, make sure you go check her out. I'll have her channel linked down below in the description box. And then until next time, see you in the next video. Bye.